Hello learners, in this tutorial we will walk you through the process of setting up a database in Django. Step 1. Understanding Django's default SQLite database. What is SQLite? SQLite is a simple, lightweight and serverless SQL database engine that comes built with Python. It is Django's default database choice. Why choose SQLite? First, it is easy to use, no need for a separate server. Second, ideal for development, perfect for small-scale applications. Where is SQLite used in Django? Django is pre-configured to use SQLite by default. The database settings can be found in the PollProject /settings.py file. Step 2. Configuring database settings. Locate the settings file, open the PollProject settings.py file to check or modify the database settings. By default, Django uses the following settings for SQLite. Database equal default, engine, Django db.backends.sqlite3, name base dir /db.sqlite3. Engine specifies the database backend for SQLite, while name defines the location of the database file, which is set to db.sqlite3 in the project's base directory. Step 3. Running migrations. What's migration? Migrations are Django's way of applying changes to the database schema based on your modules. They help create or update tables automatically. To apply migrations and create tables, run the following command. Python manage.py migrate. What happens during migration? Django checks the installed apps list to see which apps require database tables. It creates or updates tables according to your modules. Python manage.py migrate. Step 4. Verifying the database setup. Check database file. After running migrations, ensure that the db.sqlite3 file has been created in the base directory of your project. db.sqlite3 is created. Check tables using Django shell. Run the following command to access the database shell. Python manage.py db shell. Once inside the shell, you can use SQLite commands to inspect the database. For view all tables, we can use .tables. For view table structure, we use pragma table _info auth _user. To view data from a table, select asterisk from auth _user. To exit the database shell, we use .exit tables pragma table _info auth user. ID, integer, password, username, and so on. Select from auth user. To exit the database shell, we use .exit. Step 5, configuring time zone. To ensure correct daytime operations, set the time zone in PollProject/settings.py to your local time. For example, in my case, time zone equal Asia, Baghdad. Asia, Baghdad. And save. In summary, by following these steps, you will be able to understand Django's default SQLite database, configure database settings in settings.py, run migrations to create database tables, and verify the database setup by checking the database file and tables.